Hello dear students, welcome back to your maths class 6. In the previous class, we continued our chapter knowing our numbers, and in that we are starting today our new topic, that is successor and predecessors. Now see what is successor. So successor is a number which comes after a number, means when we are adding 1 to that number, then we get its successor. And similarly, if we subtract 1 from the number, or the number before that number is its predecessor. Okay, now the next topic that is come is the length. So see students, over here this table you need to learn. Okay, over here there are some, you know that the unit of length is meter, and we do everything in meter for length. Okay, so see here each and every unit has 10 as a difference. Now see what are the units you need to learn, like millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So these are all the units. Students, these all differ by the 10. For example, 1 centimeter will be equal to 10 millimeter. Similarly, 1 decimeter will be equal to 10 centimeter. Similarly, 1 meter will be 10 decimeter. So similarly, I have drawn this table over here, and this also is important table. Now let's start. 1 decameter is giving 10 centimeter. Similarly, 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. Then 1 decimeter is also 100 millimeter. Because here it was 10, then it shifted to here, then 10 multiplied by 10, so it is 100. Similarly, 10 decimeter will be equal to 1 meter, because this is a difference. I have already reversed the order. Similarly, over here it is 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So see how 1 meter is here, and see this 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, so this is 1000. Similarly, 1 kilometer will be equal to 1000 millimeter, and finally 1 kilometer will 1000 meter, and 1 kilometer will be equal to 1,000,000, means 10 lakh millimeter. Because from here see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so I have added 6 zeros over here, and when you pronounce it is 10 lakh millimeter. Okay, now let's come to the next topic. Like we did for length, similarly is there for mass also and for capacity also. Now let's come to the rounding numbers. So see students, for rounding number means you have to convert the numbers either to nearest 10, either to nearest 100, either to nearest thousands. Now supposing the question it is not given and it is only given that you have to round off. So if there is a large number, then you will prefer this 1000, and if there are small numbers you will prefer this 10. Okay, this 100 is preferred intermediately. Students, now see, if you have to convert this number to nearest tens, means only this digit has to be changed, or this can be also changed due to this digit. Means if you have to convert to nearest tens, this digit has to be made 0 compulsory. But now what will happen to this digit? For example, you are taking 975323. So see, in between 3 is coming over here. That means agar 5 se pehle aa raha hai, so what will be happening is it will be converting to 0, and if it is coming after 5, it will be converting into 10. So it is coming before 5, so it will be converted to 0 and no change. If it was here, then the 1 would be carry over to the next number, but here it is no change. So similarly we are converting it to 0 over here, and no number is changed. So final answer will be 9,75,320. Similarly, for nearest hundreds, we will make these two numbers 0, and it will decide that whether it will be converted or not. Similarly for thousands, so over here if I am talking about 100, so it will be coming over here 100, and here it will be coming 50. Okay, and here it will be 0. So the number between 0 and 50, there will be no change, only zeros will be added. And if the number is between 50 and 100, then 1 will be added to the next number. Now a question comes that if the number is 50 itself, then what should we do? So if the number is 50, let it be 50, or else what you can do is you can convert it to 100. Many times the teacher says that to convert it to 0, you can convert it anywhere as your teacher suggests, that only you can do. Otherwise, mainly if you're, for example, if you are taking your examination mark, you are getting 6.5, so we are rounding it to 7 only. We are not making it 6, so we are moving ahead only, we are not going back. Students, now let's see the next one, that is the estimation. Now see students, to solve product sum differences, the two numbers are first estimated. Estimated means anuman lagana as directed, and then the answer is find out. For example, estimation means whenever the two numbers are in product sum and difference, the two numbers are estimated, and then only we can find these product sum difference. For example, you have to given a question that estimate two nearest tens. So these are the two numbers, you have to add them, but first you have to estimate them to nearest tens. Yes, instance, I have already told you the estimation technique. So over here, the 730 will be nearly equal to 730 only, because this is 0 itself, and this 998 8 is near to 10, so 1 will be carried over here, so it will be 1000. Now we have to add this 1000 and 730, so 1730 will be our answer. Similarly, the nearest 1000 estimation is there, like 28,292 minus 21,496. So we will see these three digits and we will make this 0. So if here this condition will be applied, okay, so if 292 is nearby here, so it will be converted to 0, and here 496 is also nearby here, so it will be also converted to 0. So no change in the next digit. So over here what will be coming is that this will be converted to 28,000 and this will be converted to 21,000, and your answer for subtracting will be 7,000. Now students, let's see the next thing, that is brackets. So students, brackets play a very important role in our day-to-day life for solving the problems. So see the brackets, when two numbers are placed, whether the two numbers are added, subtracted, multiplied or divided, but when they are placed inside the brackets, okay, so this means that the brackets should be solved first, leaving any of the number. किसी भी नंबर को पहले सॉल्व नहीं करना है, सबसे पहले आपको ब्रैकेट्स को सॉल्व करना है. And the rule is followed is BODMAS. BODMAS means brackets of. Of means identity, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is not there in your course. Bracket is there, division is there, multiplication is there, addition is there, subtraction. This we already know. इसमें सबसे पहले देखो ब्रैकेट आ रहा है, मीन सबसे पहले आपको ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. And then if bracket is not there, first you will solve division, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so this we have done about brackets. Now let's see the brief account on Roman numerals. So see the symbols used by Romans for digits, like we use 1, 5, 10, 50. So they use instead of them some symbols, and those are called Roman numerals. Like for 1 we use I, for 5 we use V, 10 X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M. So these are all the Roman numerals. There are some rules, like V, L and D are never subtracted. Symbol I can be subtracted from V and X once, means we cannot subtract it again and again. Like for example, if we are doing IV, so this can become it will be means 5 minus 1, so it will be 4. We cannot do this IIV. This will not make any sense. It will be wrong. Now symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. We cannot subtract it from V. For example, this is not possible. This is possible, but if we are writing this one, so this is not possible. This means so we have to add 5 to 10, but here we need to subtract 5. This is not possible. Okay. Similarly, symbol C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay students, so now let's see the next one. We have discussed our whole chapter. This was only our whole chapter. Now let us solve some numerical. This is a numerical sheet, and in this we will be seeing some basic these sums which are going to come in your examinations. For example, the first question itself can come simplify, like 64 plus 8 divided by 12. So you see over here 64 plus 8 is in the bracket, so it is to be solved first according to the rule of BODMAS. So 64 plus 8 gives 72, 72 divided by 12, so it will be 8. Similarly this and similarly this. Now let's come to the next one. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number and find their sum. We have already learned in our previous classes that greatest means 1 and zeros, sorry 9s, and smallest means 1 and zeros. Means greatest में 9 आने चाहिए और इसमें 1 और 0 आने चाहिए. That means smallest 4-digit number will be 1 0 0 0. Count these 1 2 3 4, 4-digit, and it is smallest. Similarly, greatest will be 4-digit number, means 4 times 9 you have to write. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be simply adding these both. It will be 10,999. This is the question. Now next is fill in the following boxes with this greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. This is very easy. You have to just fill it equal. Okay, now fill in the blanks. This is important. 4 kilometer equal to, now we know that 1 kilometer, only one I am solving. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so 4 kilometer will be equal to 4 into 1000 meter. That means 4000 meter. So this way I have solved these three. And this XIV means X means 10 plus IV means 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. I have written over here this 14 also. Now let's come to the next one. This sheet. Now see over here what is given. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. So first you sort out and make this only in milliliter. We know 1 liter is equals to how many? We know that it is this is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter. Oh, So 4 liter will be equal to 4000 milliliter, and total will be 4500 milliliter. Now what you need to do is, हम लोगों ने इसको इसके 4000 मिलीलीटर और 500 मिलीलीटर को ऐड कर दिया, 4500 मिलीलीटर हो गए. अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया, कितनी ग्लासेस में जो कि 50 मिलीलीटर की, वो कितनी ग्लासेस के अंदर आ जाएगी. सो देयर इज वन मिस्टेक डन ओवर हियर, आई विल टेल यू हाउ. सी 50 milliliter capacity of one glass, so for fitting glasses into these, we will be dividing not this, we will be dividing 4500 by 50. So this 0 get cancelled, and this will 5 9s are 45 and 90. So the actual answer is 90 glasses and not this 30. This is not the right answer. Okay, see the next one. Write the successor and predecessor of. I have already told you successor means plus 1, predecessor means minus 1. So 9999 plus 1 gives 10,000 as a successor. Similarly predecessor will be 9998. Similarly for second, third and fourth also we have done the same way. I hope that you have understood this video, and if you are having any query, then you can write below in the comment section. And also that on the next class we will be taking one online test through Google Forms. Into it I will be creating one shorts in which I will be telling you that how you need to appear for the test. You will be writing your name and you will be registering over there, and then you will be solving. Thank you.